G'day guys, this is Impala LFX 13. It's been a while to make a video, but I just came from a little road trip with the Impala in the probably the worst snowstorm of the year. I don't know if you can see, pretty bad. See the snowbanks on the side. Put the high beams on. So anyway, but it's just to show you that this car, even with the tune and everything, the mods and this and that, still does a decent MPGs. Here you see it's in, obviously it's in metric, 7.8 liters per 100k. Just to show you that even if you modify and all that, you're still able. Look at this, it's insane. Look at the snow, look at it. Anyway, so I'm going back to, I'm gonna grab here, it's called Highway 5 North. That's where I live. So, and what's worse is I'm a good half an hour away from the house, so, and I'm sure once I arrive I'll hopefully my neighbor will have cleaned my driveway. If not, well, it's gonna be another half an hour of blowing snow to reach the garage. So, but yeah, the main purpose of this video is to show that even if it's a big car, it's a full-size sedan and it's modified and all that, I use this car and it's my daily grinder. And yes, I have studded tires on steel rims, steel wheels. Look at this snow, it's insane. Oh, there we go. Oh, my car's too low. Come on, don't give up, come on, you can do it. Here, I got it. It's insane. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna keep my both hands on the steering wheel, and that's it. All right, take care.